Hi. Today we're going to talk about what happens when the pump doesn't come on. It so happened that just yesterday afternoon, came down for a swim, tried to turn on the pump, and it didn't come on. All we heard was this sound. You can hear a little buzzing. Typically this happens once a year. And what it is the capacitor. And I'm going to show you how to very easily change out the capacitor. You can get it at your local pool store. We go to Jay-Z's down on Route 40 in Northeast. What you want to do is turn off the circuit breaker. Very important, so you don't hurt yourself. The capacitor sits under this housing right here. It's 2 screws, Phillips head screwdriver. Don't lose the screws. There's 1 screw. And then you pull off the housing. Oh. Capacitor stuck underneath. And you just gently pull out off the housing. You pull off the terminals very easily. A little stubborn. There you go. Now these capacitors do not have any polarity. You can put them on either side. They have 2 poles, and you just put these terminals back in just as they were. Brand new one from the store. Put them all the way on so they're nice and tight. Take a good look. And then we're going to put the housing back on just the way it was. It's a real easy fix. Rather than having to have the company come and fix it for you, charge you $100 just to come in your backyard. You can do it yourself, and you'll see.
And how much was the capacitor?
The store charges $34. Probably on Amazon you can get about half the price. Voila, the pump is on. Thank you very much.
Let's see the number on the box.
Oh, yeah. Well, look, you pay attention to the microfarads and the voltage on the box. And they're printed on the capacitor as well, and that's what you go and buy at the store. Thank you very much for watching.